Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Justin, and today I will teach you how to list products from CJ Dropshipping to TikTok Shop. So, let's get started. So, here I am on my CJ Dropshipping platform. As you know, CJ Dropshipping offers you lots of products that you can dropship. And to start, go to my CJ right here. This will direct you to a page where you need to look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You will find the Store Authorizations option. Click on it and select TikTok Shop. Here, you can connect your TikTok to your CJ Dropshipping account. Click on Add Stores, and a note will appear saying that for TikTok stores, you should list products from the TikTok section on the homepage due to the dispatch time limitations set by the TikTok platform. There is another way to connect your TikTok to your CJ Dropshipping by using Shopify as your online store to list your products. Go to shopify.com and register your account. You may choose to subscribe to the monthly feature or enjoy the first few trial periods. I already have my Shopify account here. Let's search for CJ Dropshipping in the Shopify App Store. This is the app we are looking for. Installing CJ Dropshipping on Shopify will integrate your Shopify and CJ Dropshipping accounts together. Once CJ Dropshipping is connected to your Shopify, you can start finding product to list. For example, let's search for any product. And here, I found some that looks really cool. Feel free to explore the list of products available on this section and select the one you like and list it in your Shopify. You will need to enter product details like the store and shipping information, product type, and pricing. Make sure to set the price above the dropshipping cost to ensure you make a profit. For instance, if the dropshipping cost is $4.73, set your price at around $10 or more, depending on the profit you want to make. In here, let us enter $10 for every item. And there you go. After listing products on Shopify, you can market them on TikTok. To know which items are good for TikTok Shop marketing, go back to CJ Dropshipping and find the recommended products for e-commerce platforms section. Keep scrolling down on the Find Product section until you find it. Click on TikTok. This section shows products that are selling well on TikTok. Choose a product, like this one, and list it on Shopify just like before. Enter again the product type, shipping information, and pricing. Always make sure that when listing your products, your price should be above the dropshipping cost to make a profit. Now, let's check how popular this product is on TikTok. Go first to your Shopify. Click on My Products and select the product you want to check on TikTok. Copy the name of the product and go to your TikTok application and paste the product name on the search bar on TikTok. You can see several videos selling the same product, some with millions of views. Scroll down to explore the platform. Create a video to market your product, similar to those you found. Add a link in your video description that directs customer to your Shopify store. Simply copy the link of your Shopify store and then paste it on the caption of your video or even on your TikTok account bio. So, in summary, you can use CJ Dropshipping as your product source, Shopify as your online store, and TikTok as your marketing platform. And that's how you can connect your CJ Dropshipping to TikTok. And now, you have successfully listed products from CJ Dropshipping to TikTok Shop. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.